My wife gifted me a LevelMate Pro, a bit of a luxury item, not 100% necessary, but I'm hoping to enjoy using it. It relies on being calibrated to remember where level is, and then it directs you back to that same level when you park. Bluetooth connectivity to a phone app gives you directions on what parts of the trailer to raise and lower. The first step is to level the trailer, and I level my trailer over the axles. My trailer has a slight arch to the frame, and leveling in the middle gives the best sense of overall level. So let's proceed to the unboxing and open it up. The trailer's all level, and now we can start with the instructions, which I haven't read yet and probably never will. It comes with a basic one-page instruction sheet, some mounting screws, the box, and some little sticky dots. The device is a basic black plastic box with an on and off switch. If I just read the instructions, it turns out I could have just turned it on rather than opened it up to mess with the battery as I've done here. I scanned the QR code off the instructions and downloaded the app. While the app was downloading, I took the temporary sticky dots provided and put the black box on the wall in my trailer. Following the prompts through the app is pretty simple. The main information that you have to enter through this process is the width of your trailer at the tires and the length from the center of the rear tire forward to the hitch. The paper instructions don't actually mention you need these measurements before you start the digital portion of the app setup, so it's nice to have those standing by if you need them. This is where I found the LevelMate Pro unit after using the temporary sticky dots, so those didn't work as advertised. I don't know if the calibration step occurred when it was on the wall or falling through the air or on the floor. I ran the calibration step again after mounting it to the wall. To test it, I dropped the hitch 2 inches and used the LevelMate Pro to level it back up, and then I cinched up my stabilizer feet. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Airstream content.